Welcome to the unboxing of the DJI Mic Mini 2. This is a second generation of the DJI Mic Mini. Now, there are two versions of this microphone. So in order to know what you need to buy, just look at the drawing on the cover. Okay. So there's a smaller version which only comes with one of these transmitters and a small mobile receiver with a Type-C connector that goes into your phone. You won't get this DSLR connector, and you'll not get the other transmitter with the smaller version of the DJI Mic Mini 2. But this bigger one, this full-size DJI Mic Mini 2, has two transmitters and a receiver that goes into your DSLR, and it can also go into your smartphone. Okay, so take note of that. Anyway, so I have the big one here, and let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's in the box. So there's a nice little carrying bag here, as you can see. That's it. Okay, and it's a very puffy little bag, so that's going to protect your microphone no matter where you take them. So I'm just going to put that to the side. Let's have a look at this. We have some documentation and stickers from the looks of things, and that's all. So I'm just going to put that to the side as well. And let's start with this. So there seems to be two cables here. Yeah, there are two cables. So we have a Type-C to Type-C cable. Now this should be used for charging the case and the microphones themselves. And probably if you want to connect them to a computer, we'll try that out in the playlist. So then you have this. This should be used to connect to a DSLR. Again, I'll show you how to do all that. So that's all for that. Just gonna put that to the side as well. Let's see what's in here. So this should be the little stickers for changing the colors of your microphone. Yeah, so those are the different stickers. In case you're wearing something pink and you want to sort of mask the microphone hanging on your shirt, then you can use all these stickers. So plenty of stickers here, as you can see, orange, yellow, all these colors. Now, two are missing. I'm assuming these two are already on the microphones themselves. Okay, so that's the colors. Just put that to the side as well. Now let's look at the microphones. So it's a fairly big case, and it says DJI Mic Mini 2 here, as you can see. There's a Type-C port for charging at the back, and this is where you open. So let me just get rid of this little sticker here. And of course, you need to press to open, just like the previous generation. And there are your microphones. So that's where everything is. They already have the wind mouths attached. So there are the microphones. And of course, the bases are covered so that they don't connect to the connectors and start charging. All right, there's your receiver for your DSLR. There's a little connector for your phone. I'll show you how to do all this, how to connect all these devices, how to use this microphone in detail. Okay, so that is it. Now, of course, first thing you need to do is just remove these little stickers. And then now you can put them back to charge. Put this back. And you can close the case. The good thing with this is that you can leave the wind muffs on the microphones and still be able to close the case. So you don't need to keep attaching and detaching them all the time. So that's the unboxing. That's what comes in the box of your DJI Mic Mini 2, the full version. Okay. Now, like I said, there are two versions of this microphone. There's another smaller package which comes with only one transmitter and only this small USB-C receiver that looks almost something like this. Okay, so be careful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, I'll be making subsequent videos. This is going to be an entire playlist on the different things, tips, tricks, and all the different things you can do with this microphone. So make sure you check everything out that you need. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.